Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.
LGBTQI Nkomo Shasi Yedi Hu Nkomo watch the opposition. In fact, I think say one of the morning me put two questions post straight Eddie Maona OCS enya dia baby a wontetie soma wo mu nini a onim ade we enya dia wofo aso so Honorable Murtala Mohammed anope Nkomo die mu ensem no bi ode atodwa kire se MPP foi mo ya yem ho nyaatwom ade mu ayete ne amofo aso enso sisi a de okura wasem a wo ka na Billy de nkamoma atani general ekra na ode call ya mre manhwe ya ye bewie kire kra no ye be pass o ye pass na obi de kokota supreme court betimi aboegu enti sansem na wo ka ni nyina no kire sa ade momfo aso bu apayo na mo ye uyi ano sen
Obia yemra o ma chebe de fie ho emsa so me kan o tia oh ni pa ne bi de mu dala no enne se la ka de things bi no ma yo go hu ko ba so yemra o parliament so o mo ngan mutala ba pe na ye o ma chebe de fie ho a wo no kan
no nyamra chebe dweni
e ma chebe de ba o mo sa se bra pe pa ni show ma chebe de fie ho a ye wakati kwa na no demo awe yo yebi
Vacho semra na ba nyamu nyina ebia buffalo na mato aba ni nya no nkan na ma yamra no
ya tare ke emra ye yemra your process fm your first reading is say post at the big demo the friend bill the bad demo ba radio ejomo ni speaker catch you understand what which am on so mon ko heto na mon fa manu di semi emra no ni trim pa etechire mon ko hwim na mra no so mon soni ni mo ko be kanchire simpono ya na ni ono de be ono ba what the chire e de she e be e fe no memorandum emi timbra na nim na obepese bia the constitution no ko ana se le nkwa e bien yare bi ni egunu e wo manu e dia ele dia no drontia ye se emfa pe no e mesa sa yare no e ya ye mi tunfiri ho so e basi e bi ho ko mo no e something mo no and if a second reading if you second reading now only a trap you see the major decision is that I didn't have an you get to manage into so to important west president you get to manage into now yakasa we are jatum and I said a jatum be now so I can say no and koji nkibia yem emfanko no mo siesie ho ansan ba e sa da so if you have the banana so if you are telling them I catch it and I say the Ministry of Health, Ministry of Education I can share the same sign for cop e ko CC the sign for breath no ma be withdraw bill no I ko CC no ma sand ya ba o mo di be wi a and ye be ye ne friend concentration stage and ye clause by clause, sentence by sentence. Even where the deal will be in between the new and no one. So now if you pass it through and not, they could see clause one, they could see the last clause one. And now, Yakase, if we are now, Yama, the 2 days, the thing, ya gidi mo bi ho ade fo bi ho o de nothing ever nti bia na ya bi na so happy me ya bi ye so san waka so and the friend second contribution stage the ye alone ina we moten na de kata ye ne friend third reading. You know the title of the bill, no, or Mashib the Piho. This will be as a people not some kind. The speaker, the bill has been read the third time and passed. In a son, your bill, the idea. A summer about make a new funny deal to say, I want to get there. And says, I'm going to private country. Anything private members bill, there was a thing, another. The Constitution, and we would say, to be the private members bill be back. A motion shall follow. Then my uncle come. You can't feel mouth to me. And the idea, I didn't want. Your ma uncle and father. So, now, and then I make a say, yes, yeah, I think 1999 or so, 1989, civil society organizations become open. And then, and Brian Fred of Children's Act, civil society organizations have been a calm who will say, yeah, this I'm not back and I should be given. How many parliament committees will be bring share? And once them, and command caution on that. And now, better somewhat. I'm not only attending dinner. And I was saying, or keep parliament again, let's see, Article 118 or so. So, I said, San Crank will be a decided about parliament. You bet me a boy, was in fear by a catch. So, now I make up the name because I said, no, I believe. Ni parliamentary bia so ba o fi asem on peneso when you okay mukra mo bitu anam so when the adene de entity me ya something me kwa brain ni me entity enche se men so gay any lesbian the same so na ka se me find Christian the Christ of God so entity no so and gays and lesbian and the web Nti ni support. Ma make it to say. And I make it. And I should be the farm no macadamia. Would you or no? Not any issue free. Ye facade and brown. In the car say. And I should be your phone. Ye bayania, it near factor. I'm a gun. My young ye Ghana for and then 54. You Ghana for the cannot eat. And I'm a captain. And I can't say, the bedroom near a thin and eating. And Crophobi actually might be also said, Yanria, I didn't with you. It is a thing I have in a door. Yakoyanamra. So we say, or testimony Supreme Court. There are no equity, a benedict. They may make a say, Catanaya, and they give it a draft of penny, Attorney General. Yea, Brano class, Edinburgh, Farmer, to be free. Must a committee be or no, I say, or Attorney General, maybe Attorney General, not General, Assembly. Until they can say, Yaman could be stability. Now, so for the woman, or more than now, money Attorney General needs out the Marocco. A young could be ma, would be so, but a theatre Supreme Court now for you. The Court of the Supreme Court has a Macano. Assembly Polo, a year. Now, so listen, get free. And Grand Crown labor. The Etia at the one. Intimacy. We just said, MP Attorney General, not many. It was Assembly. In here, they can't we are. We want to you are blowing out and good. They are not even thinking about the issue at stake. Assembly that one, you know, more than you, politics. We in a man, even near young boy, and they, oh, yeah, okay, so I didn't do, to be put on to the partner. Not a council speaker. Oh, your man, they debate about anything. You say, and can be. So we are the parliament becano. Now was stamp it is the parliament is the I didn't know how to as I walk out to parliament the past here. Like I say, what's the as I want to share parliament the things anything. Yes, sir. Now we got to keep parliament to a rubber stamp. That's terminal. You say fee president that catch it. That's a message if you speak up so catch it. Not I didn't run brush with the million a crime of the agriculture. Okay, we are. Oh, no, one for not being this one the brain what I could. I can't just understand. What I say? Even your own bizarre, and I still know me, like I say, I will not turn my back on the people that I represent. Now, who Muntala, who the audience in your canal, I'm not for you. The women that you can it lacks integrity. It's so offensive, you know.
Utie Oha Exi Pongno Needs FM.